Welcome to my YouTube channel. First, subscribe my channel. Today our lesson is classifying triangles, interior and exterior angles of triangles. First, we'll get classifying triangles. There are two ways to classify triangles: by their sides and by their angles. Classifying triangles by their sides. By their sides, we can classify triangles into three types: scalene triangles, isosceles triangles, and equilateral triangles. Now we get scalene triangles. No sides are the same length. Isosceles triangles. At least two sides are the same in length. Then equilateral triangles, all sides are equal in length. Now we'll refer to this chart. Equilateral triangle, all three sides are equal. Isosceles triangles, the lengths of two sides are equal. Scalene triangles, all three sides are unequal in length. Now we'll classify triangles by their angles. By their angles, we can classify triangles into three types: acute angle triangles, right angle triangles, and obtuse angles triangles. Acute angle triangles. Acute angle triangles have three acute angles. Right angle triangles. Right angle triangles have one right angle. Then the other two angles will be acute angles. Obtuse angle triangles. Obtuse angle triangles have one obtuse angle. The other two will be acute angles. Now refer to the table. Acute angle triangle, the magnitude of each angle is less than 90 degrees. That means all are acute angles. Obtuse angle triangle, the magnitude of one angle is greater than 90 degrees. Right angle triangle, the magnitude of one angle is 90 degrees. Now name this triangle. Here one angle is a right angle. Sides are unequal in length. So right angled scalene triangle. Now name this triangle. Here one angle is an obtuse angle. Two sides are equal in length. So obtuse angled isosceles triangle. Now name this triangle. Here all three angles are acute angles. Three sides are unequal in length. So acute angled scalene triangle. Now name this triangle. Here all angles are acute angles. Two sides are equal in length. So acute angled isosceles triangle. Now name this triangle. Here one angle is an obtuse angle. All sides are unequal in length. So obtuse angled scalene triangle. Now name this triangle. Here one angle is a right angle. Two sides are equal in length. So right angled isosceles triangle. Now we are going to find out about interior angles of a triangle. Now refer to the diagram. The angles located within the triangle ABC are named A, B and C. Since they are located within the triangle, they are called interior angles of the triangle. Now you can do this activity. First, draw a triangle and name as ABC. Inside the angle you can mark in simple letters A, B and C. Then you can cut all three angles separately. Then draw a straight line and mark point P on the straight line. Then paste all three angles. When you paste, vertices of the angle should fall onto the point P. Then observe. Then you will get the straight angle. The sum of the angles at the point on a straight line is 180 degrees. So, the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Now find the magnitude of ABC in the figure. In the ABC angle, two angles are given, 45 degrees and 35 degrees. You have to find the ABC angle. Since the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees, 45 plus 35 plus x should equal 180. Then 80 plus x should equal 180. Then you can subtract 80 from both sides. Then you will get x equals 100. That means AC angle equals 100 degrees. Now find the magnitude of the angle marked as x in each figure. We'll get number 1. Other two angles are 85 and 55. So 85 plus 55 plus x should equal 180. Then 140 plus x equals 180. Then x equals 100. Number 2, 3 and 4 for you. Now we are going to find out about exterior angles of a triangle. Now refer to this diagram. In the triangle ABC, the side BC is produced to D. The angle ACD with arms AC and CD colored in green, which is then formed, is an exterior angle of the triangle. Now we'll do this activity. You can draw a triangle PQR, then produce the sides. Then you will get exterior angles as simple P, simple Q and simple R. Then you can cut all three angles and paste. All the vertices of the angle should fall onto a same point. Since the sum of the angles around the point is 360 degrees, the sum of the exterior angles of a triangle is also 360. The sum of the exterior angles of a triangle is 360 degrees. Now find the value of x in the figure. Here there are two angles given. You have to find the other exterior angle. Since the sum of the exterior angles of a triangle is 360 degrees, 130 plus 100 plus x should equal 360. Then you can simplify and find the value x. X equals 130. Find the value of each of the angles denoted by an English letter in each figure given below. Now we'll get the first one. Two angles are given. Two exterior angles are given. You have to find the other exterior angle. Since the sum of the exterior angles of a triangle is 360 degrees, 135 plus 165 plus x should equal 360. Then you can simplify and solve the simple equation. Then you will get the answer x equals 60. Now number 2, 3, 4 and 5 for you. Now we have come to the end of the lesson. Today you have learned how to classify triangles, interior angles of a triangle and exterior angles of a triangle. By this lesson, simple questions can be given for the O-level exam. So practice well and get ready. Subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get the next video quickly. Thank you.